So today I wanted to share with you some Quince handbags. So I have really been enjoying looking at new arrivals and just picking up some classics from Quince, and their handbags are really nice as well. They're Italian leather or really genuine suede. So I'm really excited to share some of the bags that I've picked up throughout the last couple of months. I want to share with you some of the handbags that are available at Quince. They're really good quality, and I just wanted to share with you a few of the new styles that I've picked up and then some that I have been carrying for a little bit. So let's go ahead and get started with this Quince handbag haul. Okay, so I'm going to start with this one on. This is a great crossbody. I love how it has that box style, like the camera bag style, and it sits really nicely along the hips. I love crossbodies because I like to be hands-free, and this one I think fits and sits really nicely. So let's go ahead and look closely at it. So it has this really nice straw detail look, and I love it in this brown color. Because it has the leather crossbody as well, you can really dress this one up. It does have the gold detail, but I am loving this brown. So when you look at the strap, it does have where you can adjust it quite a bit shorter than how I have it. And I think I do have it on the longest setting. So I do have it as long as it can go, and I'm 5'5" for reference, how you saw it on me. But there's two other holes where you can make it a little bit shorter if you want to do that. You could wear it as just a shoulder bag if you wanted to. And then it does have the little slider here. So no matter how short you have it adjusted, this is going to keep this in place where this is not flapping around. So really nice. And this is made out of that Italian leather, so it's really good quality. So when you look on the inside, you have almost like a linen style lining. Then you have this zipper pocket that's in the back for a little bit of privacy. And then you can see the inside of it. So it's really nice. I love the style. And here is another great crossbody bag. This is in that woven style, but this is versatile because it can be either crossbody or you can carry it as a clutch as well. So look how slim this is. I love this one so much because it's got that woven detail that is so pretty. And this comes in several other colors, but I thought, again, this was a great fall color. So you do have your crossbody strap. Again, it's that buckle style, like a belt. And then you do have the little slider that'll cover up. Now, this has a lot of adjustment. You can take these crossbody straps off and then just carry it as like a clutch. I think this is really pretty for a clutch as well. When you open it up, it has this zipper detail, so you can put some things in here, and it goes all the way down to the bottom. So that's a good amount of room that you can just put something in there. Then it has another zip closure right here, and just look how smooth these zippers are, you guys. And then you can throw your phone or something in there and keep it separate. And then you also have this area down here that has a really nice, like a canvasy style lining. So this has a lot of room for you to be able to put things, but it's really cute, slim, and it's got that Italian leather woven detail, which is so pretty. Love this one. Now let's talk about this suede shopper tote. This is in that brown suede, so pretty. There's also feet at the bottom to keep it protected. There is a front magnetic close area. There's also a back magnetic close area, so lots of space on the outside. And it has these really nice rolled straps. So you can see it's got a good strap drop, and it's just a really good size shopper tote. It's very rich looking. It's got the gold zipper detail. And then look how smooth those zippers are. So in the back, you have this magnetic close. You can put a smaller electronic in there, an iPad or something will fit in there. Then you've got this zipper that is trimmed in the Italian leather. Then you have this little hook right here. And this you could like throw your keys on if you wanted to and leave those there. You could just attach your keys onto here. And then you've got two slip pockets. And this has like that really nice canvas style lining, and it's lighter, which I love a lighter lining because of the fact that you can see what's in there, especially when you have a bigger size bag. So this is so pretty, you guys. This is genuine suede, and it's a really good price for genuine suede. And I just love the size of this one. I think this is a really good size. Love that it has the feet at the bottom to keep that suede really nice and protected. And then I have a travel bag that I want to share with you. It's this like weekender style bag, and it's reminiscent of a MZ Wallace. It's got side pockets on the side. I picked this up in both black and navy. I couldn't decide which one I liked best. I think I'm gonna keep the navy for myself and then give the black one to my husband because these are really great bags and they're affordable bags for what you're getting in the organization. So if you wanted to carry it over your shoulder with these tote straps, you can. They're pretty nice and padded. And I have this leather trim right here that just gives it a little bit of interest. On the back of it, you've got this slip pocket where you can throw your phone. Then you've got this button snap pocket where it can be a pocket, or if you unzip it at the bottom, it can be a trolley sleeve for your suitcase that you can just throw it over your suitcase. Then in the front, you also have this zip around pocket that has a zipper pocket inside and these cargo pockets that are kind of trimmed in the leather as well. So this is something that's really great that you can throw things that you want to get to easy. And then it's got these really nice chunky zippers, and they're really smooth. Love these zippers. You've got a snap, which I really like that it's a snap instead of a magnet close, where you can put your laptop right here. And then in front of that, you've got a zipper pocket. Inside the zipper pocket are slip pockets. And then you've got this little part right here where you can put some credit cards in this slot. And then you have another like little key leash, but it is attached to a pouch. So you have this included pouch in here if you want to put tech gear or anything like that. You also have a crossbody strap that's like a seatbelt style. I never use these crossbody straps, so I just keep them packaged up and just put them in there to store them, because I'm either going to carry it on my shoulders or I'm just going to put it over my suitcase, which is what I usually do. And then on the front wall, you have more slip pockets, so a lot of organization in this travel bag. And then you've got this crossbody bag that can also be a top handle bag, a puzzle style bag, and this is so nice. It's got the silver hardware. You've got feet at the bottom. It has this asymmetrical zip in the back, which I think is so fun. Nice zippers made out of that Italian leather. It's that pebble grain leather, so you can see all that texture. It's super soft. Love the puzzle style detail in the front. And then you have a carrying handle. You can just carry it by itself, or you also have a crossbody strap that has, again, that like belt style look to it. And I have this adjusted like midway, so you can get this also a little bit longer or a little bit shorter if you want to just carry it over the shoulder like that. But I just think this is so pretty, you guys. This color is gorgeous, and they also have it in a brown and a black as well. You have this snap slip pocket in the front, and then in the back you have a zipper pocket, and the inside is the same color as the outside, this really pretty burgundy. It almost has like again, that canvas style inside. This bag may be my favorite one that I've picked up recently. It has that woven design, and it's that Italian leather, so nice. You can see on the bottom how wide this is gonna be. And I like the versatility. So you can carry it by these handles. You can kind of take the bigger handles in and carry it just by this handle, or you can double these over and carry this as a shoulder bag. You can lengthen this, make it one strap, and have it as a crossbody. There's no way to adjust it, so this would be the length. You can't adjust the length of it when it's crossbody. This color's gorgeous. This is in the taupe color, but this is just so beautiful, and I do love that it has that magnetic opening. In the back, you have a zipper and then a slip pocket back here. It's really nice how it's structured, and it'll stand on its own, and just a beautiful color that I think is seasonless. This is a color bag that you can wear throughout all of the seasons, and I just love the versatility. Now we have to talk about this fantastic crossbody. So this is in a really beautiful brown color, gold hardware, and it's just really nice and compact and sleek. So when you're wearing this as a crossbody, it's not having that bulky look, so you can see how nice this looks. It was really hard for me to decide between this color or the bone color that they have, but both of them are just really good, and I think there is a third color that they have added. And you can see that the adjustment is like a belt adjustment, and then it does have this slider where you can adjust it where this extra flap is not flapping. And then on the inside, the lining is almost like a linen canvas lining, and then you have this additional strap. So if you want to just take off the crossbody strap and add this smaller strap, you can use this as a shoulder bag. And then it's got credit card slots in here, also a zipper pocket in the back, and then it has that magnetic close to close it up. But I love the buckle detail on the front. All the hardware is very pretty, and it's just a minimalistic, sleek design, but in that really nice Italian leather. And then I have to talk about this triple compartment bag. So this actually comes with the straps not attached, and I just buckled them on to save time on camera. I'm probably not going to be carrying it this way at all, but you do have these two straps that you will attach to the D-rings on each side, and you can wear this as a shoulder bag. So if you decide to do it as the shoulder bag, these straps are going to still be here, but they do fold down pretty good, but I feel like they'll get in my way. And the way that I'm going to be carrying it most is by these handle straps, satchel style, and I will take off the other straps. But then I also wanted to show you that it does have a crossbody strap as well. When bags start to get this big, and you can see how wide it is, I don't like to carry them crossbody, but it is an option. They do give you a crossbody strap as well. So I went ahead and took off the other straps. You can see how sleek this design is. It's got that really nice pebble leather. You have the hardware on the bottom to keep it protected and clean. gold hardware on this one. And what I really love about this is you have the 3 compartment opening. So this first one is a magnetic close, and it has like a suede feel to the lining of it. And then on the opposite side, you have another one of the magnetic close areas with that suede. Then in the center, you have a double zipper close. The inside of this one is more of that canvasy linen feel. And then you have a slip pocket on one side, and then you have a zipper pocket on the other, and you can see there's plenty of room on the inside of this. It's really nice. So I love the function of this one. It's great to carry to work if you have a little bit of extra, or if you just are somebody that just carries everything but the kitchen sink. This is a great one because you can fit so much in here. So really nice, smooth, soft pebble leather, and this comes in the brown color and black as well. So very classic bag that is a great office bag. And then next up is going to be this triple compartment tote bag. So nice. It's that pebble leather, and it does have hardware at the bottom to keep it protected. Super soft, and I love how it has the different compartments. But let me just show you how it does look on. So it's really nice shoulder drop. So even if you have bulky jackets on, this will go over top of it so nicely. I love it in this black. I think it's just so classic, and it's going to be timeless. On the inside, you first have a snap closure that's in the front. It has a zipper pocket, and then it has one larger slip pocket below it. So organization in all of these sections. Then you've got your middle zipper, which is a double zip, which I love. And look how low it goes. So you're going to be able to see everything that is inside. And on the middle part, there's no pockets or zippers or anything like that, but I do love how it has that big nice opening in the center that is a zipper close, so you can keep anything. You don't have to worry about getting lost. And then you have yet another button closure, a snap closure, and on the front of this one you're going to have 2 slip pockets on this side right here. So the lining on the inside is kind of like that canvas style lining or like a linen style. This is so nice. The size is really great, so you're going to be able to fit a lot in this, and I just think this is definitely a classic piece, and it's very reasonably priced to get real Italian leather in this pebble style. And then we have this really beautiful designer inspired bag. It's a shoulder style bag, really beautiful. There's about 3 colors this comes in, but I could not resist this black, especially because I love the color on the inside of this one. So you do have your double shoulder drop, and it hits right there at the waist. So I think this is really nice. It is expensive looking. It has that envelope style opening, and look how gorgeous this plum color is on the inside. So in the back, you have this one slip pocket, and then in the front of this, you do have some credit card slots, so you don't even have to put a wallet in here if you don't want to. There is a small amount of room on the inside. You can kind of see on the bottom just about how much room it opens. I just think this is gorgeous, and it has that really nice drop. It just looks so elegant and sophisticated on your shoulders. So that's going to be it for some of the Quince handbags that I wanted to share with you that I've picked up along the past couple of months. And I just think they have some really good quality handbags. So if you're looking for that Italian leather or that suede, then this is a really great place to go because you're cutting out that middleman, so you're not having to worry about the higher prices, but you're still getting that great quality. I love Quince. It has fastly been becoming more and more in my wardrobe as staple pieces that I reach for all the time. So I really do hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please hit that like button. And also let me know which your favorite handbag was from today's video. I love hearing from you guys, and I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.